Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert numbers to words in Microsoft Excel, step by step. What we're doing. You might need this if you're making invoices, checks, or financial statements. Unfortunately, Excel doesn't have a built-in function for this, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Using VBA code. Let's jump into Excel and use a small VBA code to do the magic. First, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications window. Then go to Insert, Greater Than Module and paste this code. Now just type equals num2 words, A1 in a cell, where A1 has a number. Boom! Your number is now in words. I hope this helped. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to everyone.